Hello everybody, this is Hollow Watts. I have a tip that I just learned from Critical Giants. You don't have to pay for an add-on, and it's basically like hard ops in stock Blender. So you need to have the Carver add-on enabled. So just go over to Edit Preferences, and you'll type in Carver, and you just check this boy on. All you do is hit Control-Shift-X, and then you get this cool tool. If you hit H, you can read more of its instructions. If I hit Shift, it has Rebool. Rebool basically keeps it after I cut it. So I'm going to draw a cube, and it cut my cube, and I can select. If I hit right click, it'll undo my operation. But I can select the two pieces. That's super neat. Whatever. If I hit Control-Shift-X again, we have difference. If I cut it, it just cuts it away. And then we also have this other one. If I hit H, I really like these. You can read. Rebool is shift. It changes to difference. We have validate, move all, dimension, create geometry. If you hit C, we have create geometry, right? And then if you hit B, we have this profile brush. And then that's why it's really nice. It's really nice to hit H so you can see what the heck is going on with the tool. So it tells me now to hit S for scale. And if I hit D for thickness, I can change that. And then all I have to do is hit the space bar to activate my thing. So I can kind of toggle with W and X and then hit the space bar to chop stuff out. I think that's super useful for making mechs and stuff. So that's my Blender tip. Have a nice day.